Listen, house owners. Actually, my friend, owner technician, boiler and the water heater technician, give me the tip how to keep longer life for the water heater tank. Basically, I wanna share information with you. I think this is a great tip, very simple, and you can do it by yourself and save some cost. Basically, you need to change anode load, which is a sacrificial zinc like both. If you have both, they have some sacrificial zinc to protect the surrounding metal, stun drive or something. So basically, water here looks like has the same mechanism. So sacrificial zinc, like anode load, is basically gonna be this. That's the thing. So gonna be long. They said long. Actually, I didn't change. I didn't know until now. Since I moved here, this house, more than 10 years. I don't know how it look like inside, but I'm gonna check it. Found out today. So I order at the Amazon anode load, basically three. Can you see? Three section like wire connected. Three section bendable, not straight down. I think original tank there is a straight solid stick is there. So they come with Teflon tape, and also look at it. This guy is crazy. Come with everything, all the tools. This cost is 26.27. Look at 1 to 4 4 section. This is a 44-inch. So depend on how long your tank is. I think 44-inch. I think gonna be. If short, you can cut basically. So this is material is magnesium. You can there is aluminum and the magnesium, but my friend recommend the magnesium, more healthy, more better for your body. So I got the magnesium anode load basically. All right. So let's start it. But you gotta basically there is a switch, turn on and off switch. All right. This is the on and off switch. This is basically gas line. We use gas line. And this is a drainer. This is drainer. And this is a release valve. And this is a cold water supply line, I think, to the water heater tank. So my friend just recommend don't touch other stuff. Just you can simply shut up the water, cold water valve, alright, and then basically drain some water from water heater, drain water, and open up the switch the anode load, open up. Alright, let's do it. You can do it. Let's check it out. First step, let's shut up the water supply. Alright, shut up the water supply. Wow. Oh my. Jammed up. Didn't use a long time, so gotta be careful because it got old. Wow. Don't want to touch. Water valve is so stuck. I don't want to touch that water valve. I think if I touch, definitely gonna be leaking, and there I gotta go change. So shouldn't touch. So there is a main water supply line. Okay, let's shut off whole water supply. First house. Okay, shut off the water supply. And let's release some water. My friend said you don't need much, basically. Alright. Wow, look at the water, black water, black. Wow. I see 1 liter. 1 liter is enough, I see. 1 liter is enough. He said, 1 quart, 1 liter. Not a lot. You don't need a lot. Good. Good. Just a little bit. Wow, black water comes out. We taking shower with this black water. This is old house, old. Hopefully this comes out easily, not stick. Crazy. So left that this direction. Hopefully come on. Wow. Let's see. Stubborn. Stubborn. Wow. Wow. So it is very stubborn, more than 10 years. How many years? But released. So you gotta watch out because all the pipe is connected. So neither, actually, my wife helped out to hold this tank down and not trying to move too much while I'm releasing, turning. So because all the pipe is connected, but pipe is long enough to some flexibility. So even though little move, no problem, but shouldn't be moved too much. Alright. Lucky. Released. So gotta, yeah, more than 10 years. Lock up. So let's see. Now moment of truth. Oh, water is coming on. Water is coming on. Little more or less water. Good. Release the maybe 1 liter, 2 liter water. Okay. So now let's see. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. Sticky. Now mineral is built up. Basically, look at it. Difficult to come out. This is New Jersey water. This is freaking New Jersey water. Mineral is built up. This is New Jersey water. Look at these minerals. See, put mineral. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this load. Still alive, but a lot of minerals build up. Look at this. Still, I think it's still okay, but the mineral is built up so much. But compared with the new one, I think it's too long. Too long. So let me try, maybe cut up or whole thing, put it in. Still okay though. Let me clean up this thing. Let's see if I some. Let me. This is for long. Oh, let me see how I think it's big. Let's see, 1 minute or better, maybe easy to take it out. Oh no. Water. Taper. That's good, I think. Good enough. Let's see, moment of truth. So now just turn on the water bell, my water bell. Turn on my water bell, main water bell. I didn't touch that one because gonna be leaking halfway. Hopefully that's it. Just stop on just anode load. Taking out is the most difficult part. Other than that, very simple. Simple process. You can save money. You can save water heater. Live long life. Okay. So let's inspect any water leaking. Any water leaking? No. Okay. Good. Basically, you gotta tight this one also. You gotta tight, very tight. A little leakage. Okay. Good. Very good. Thanks for watching. Save your water heater more longer. I think we need to share good information. Thanks for the who sharing this good information to me. Thanks so much. Have a nice day, everybody.